air is cooled. Air is cooled by using a process called evapotranspiration. This is then divided into two subcategories, evaporation and transpiration. Evaporation. Evaporation is a physical process by which moisture is lost directly into the atmosphere. This happens as the sun heats up the troposphere, causing moisture in a liquid form from lakes, rivers and oceans to turn into water vapour, which is in gas form, to get released into the Earth's atmosphere. Temperature, humidity and hours of sunshine all have a big impact on the rate of this process. Vegetation absorbs water from its root system via the soil and ground. Once the vegetation has taken all the nutrients it needs from the water, it then passes it to the leaves, where it evaporates through stomata. Once the process of evaporation has occurred, it then condenses as it hits cooler air in the troposphere. Clouds are formed at the condensation point. This occurs because cooler air can't hold as much water vapour as warmer air. Tiny dust particles, called aerosols, and water vapour constantly bump into each other. In cooler air, when the particles collide, the water vapour latches onto the aerosols and more water vapour forms around the particles. These water droplets latch onto others like this, and this is how clouds are formed. Clouds come under four types of categories: low-level clouds, medium-level clouds, high-level clouds, and clouds that are able to expand between all three levels. Low-level clouds are often dark grey in colour. They are puffy and contain water droplets. They are from 500 metres from the ground up to 2,000 metres in the troposphere. A few examples of these clouds are cumulus clouds, nimbostrae clouds, stratocumulus clouds. Medium-level clouds contain ice and water droplets. They often come in the form of white sheets or small clouds. They are between 2,000 metres from the ground up to 6,000 metres from the ground. A few examples of these clouds are altocumulus clouds and altostratus clouds. High-level clouds are above 6,000 metres up to 13,000 metres. This is the edge of the troposphere. They are often white or light grey in colour and are made up of ice crystals. They often look wispy or feathery. A few examples of these clouds are cirrocumulus clouds, cirrostratus clouds, and cirrus. A cloud called cumulonimbus is a cloud that stretches between all three of these layers. They grow upwards and contain hail, ice crystals, and water droplets. Precipitation is anything that falls from the clouds. For example, rain, sleet, snow, and hail.